This is AutoPilot, a free automated trading bot for Deriv, and it works differently to every other bot out there. You set it up once, press start, and Deriv's own servers run the strategy for you, not your browser. Their servers. In this tutorial, I'll walk through every single setting, show you exactly how the Martingale ladder behaves with real numbers, and then run it live. Here's why that matters. A normal browser bot dies the moment you close the tab. Your laptop sleeps, your Wi-Fi drops, the run is over. AutoPilot uses Deriv's automation API, so the strategy lives on Deriv's infrastructure. Close the tab, shut the laptop, walk away. The run keeps going, and when you come back and open AutoPilot again, it reattaches to the live run and shows you exactly where it got to. Along the top, you'll see 5 trade types: rise and fall, accumulators, matches and differs, over and under, and even odd. Now, I want to be straight with you about this one. Deriv's automation engine is new, and right now, only rise and fall actually runs server-side. The other 4 are sitting in the interface, ready for the day Deriv switches them on. And if you pick one, a note tells you so. So for this tutorial, we are on rise and fall. Under automation setup, the first control is risk level. This is a shortcut that fills in 4 fields for you. Save gives you a 50-cent stake, a 2.1 multiplier, a $5 take profit, and a $50 stop loss. Medium gives you $1, 2.5, 10, and 100. Aggressive gives you $2, 3.5, 20, and 200. Pick one to get moving, then change anything you want by hand. The preset is a starting point, not a cage. Now the part most tutorials skip. AutoPilot runs Martingale, which means after every losing contract it multiplies your stake and goes again. Let's do the real numbers on the medium preset. You start at $1, lose, and the next stake is $2.50. Lose again, $6.25, then $15.60, then $39. By your 5th loss in a row, you have staked $64 in total, and the 6th contract on its own would cost $97. So that $100 stop loss buys you about 5 losing trades in a row. On aggressive, it is tighter. $2, then $7, then $24.50, then $85.75. 4 losses and your $200 stop loss is gone. And here is the thing you have to sit with. Rise and fall on a volatility index is close to a coin flip. 4 losses in a row is not some freak event. It happens roughly 1 run in 16, 5 in a row, 1 in 32. If you run this bot all day, you will meet that streak. Martingale doesn't remove that risk, it just moves it. 20 small wins, then 1 bad run, that takes the lot. Plan for the bad run, not the good one. Which brings us to take profit and stop loss. These are whole run limits in your account currency, not per trade. When the run's total profit reaches your take profit number, the run ends by itself. When total losses reach stop loss, the run ends. Setting either 1 to 0 turns it off. But please, do not turn off the stop loss. It is the only thing standing between a bad streak and your balance. Let's configure a real run. Market, I'll take volatility 100 1-second index. Direction, rise. Duration, 1 tick, the fastest contract Deriv offers, and what most Martingale runs use. Stake. This box is your initial stake, the amount used for the first contract and after every win. Multiplier. This is what the stake gets multiplied by after a loss. Then your take profit and your stop loss. Check every field, because the second you press start, this is Deriv's servers running it, not you. Happy with all of it? Start AutoPilot. The monitor panel on the left is your entire view of the run. Top left is the status badge. Idle, running, paused, stopped or completed, and next to it, your run ID. 3 numbers underneath. Net P and L for the run. How many contracts have been placed and the total stake committed so far. Below that, 2 tabs. Contracts gives you a live feed, newest first, showing the type, the stake, and the profit or loss once it settles. Green won, red lost. The logs tab gives you plain text of everything the engine is doing, and that is where you look when a run stops, and you want to know why. 3 controls while a run is live. Pause stops new contracts opening but leaves the run alive, so anything already open still settles. Resume picks it straight back up. Stop ends the run for good. And now the part I promised you. I am gonna close this tab completely. Gone. And watch this. I reopen AutoPilot and it finds the run still going and reattaches to it. That is the whole point of server-side automation. Last thing, and I mean this, always set a stop loss you can genuinely afford to lose. Start on a demo account until you know exactly how it behaves. And never run it with money you actually need. AutoPilot itself is completely free. No subscription, no premium tier. Head to binarybot.live/autopilot, log in with your Deriv account and try it on demo first. Every link is in the description.